Every ride is an adventure. It's a journey we shared and enjoyed, and it creates friendship and memories along the way. Good day mga angkol, ito ay ang aking year-end ride, huling ride adventure ngayong 2020. Ngunit panibagong kaibigan ang ating nakasama at nakasabayang mag-enjoy sa ating riding adventure. Ngayong araw, makakasama natin ang mga masasayang adventurers ng CDO Bikepacking Community. Sabay-sabay naming lalakbayin ang maputik na ruta ng Lakulak, Baungon, Bukidnon. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, mula Ugyaban Bypass Road, kailangan mong kumaliwa papuntang Barangay Langaon, Baungon, Bukidnon. At dito mararanasan mong magbike sa isang hanging bridge. Not just once but twice dahil dalawang hanging bridge ito mga angkol. Dahil sa matinding ulan, may landslide sa kasalukuyang inaayos na daan at kailangan naming bumalik at mag-detour. Hindi yata papayagan ng taong 2020 na hindi na tayo malalaspag sa ruta. Matinding tulakan ng aming naranasan, may pagpatuloy lang ang aming adventure.
Yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm no good for you, so I drive around Manhattan. They're all laughing, oh I'm tragic. Yeah, I'm driving in my car and seeing open bar. I can't go down that road again. I'll smoke a cigarette, but will that help me forget you? Will that help me forget you? I just need to forget you. Oh you, I need a trio better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you. I need a
Hindi hadlang ang nakakalaspag na tulakan sa anumang riding adventure. Sabi nga nila, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. So tuloy lang ang laban.
Yeah, I wonder who could we, or could we pretend?
Kay gandang pagmasdan ng mga lusong na ganito. Sana ganito na lang always, hindi mo na kailangang pumadyak at walang ahon na nakakapagod. Tila ba tinatangay ka lang ng agos ng buhay at ihahatid kung saan dapat patungo. Huwag mo lang hayaan ang iyong bike dahil tiyak mapapahalik at mai-inlove ang nguso mo sa lupa.
I need to forget you. I need to treat you better than that and make you feel like I did in the past. Oh, I will treat you better than that. I don't need to forget you. I don't need to forget you.
10 o'clock na ng umaga at nararamdaman na namin ang uhaw at paghahanap ng malamig na inumin. Ganun pa man, tuloy pa rin. Tuloy sa padyakan at kailangang tiisin ang nararamdaman.
Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's gone in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down.
Napapagod din kami, tumutukod at nagtutulak. Pero tulad ng karamihan, kadalasan may mga dahilan. Isa dyan ang pagkuha ng picture sa tulad nitong ahon. Mabisang teknik, epektibo at may pakinabang.
I shine. You surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
Nasa San Miguel Baungon, Bukidnon na kami nito at nag-i-enjoy sa ganda ng lusong. Nakakabilib itong aking mga kasama. Hindi kalakasan sa ahon pero ang bibilis sa lusong na tulad nito. Minsan ganitong ahon at ganitong mga trupa lang ang kailangan upang mabuo ang isang napakagandang bike
Has
experience.
come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
Mula Barangay San Miguel, Baungon hanggang Buena Vista, ganitong ruta ang madadaanan. Malapit nang magdapit hapon at malayo pang uwian pero ayos lang. Sa pagkakataong tulad nito, pidal lang ng pidal. Just enjoy the ride.
darkness fill my soul.
May mga ahon pa na madadaanan pero marami rin namang lusong. Medyo may kalayuan pero sabi nga nila, no road is too long when you have a good company.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, you're too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew on, bullets rattling and whistle at your toque, never sleep, eyes open, hands clutching on my loop, this a war zone, this a war zone, yo, this a motherfucking war zone. The impact, yeah, break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked, you're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. But ain't nothing inside. Hey yo, we been back, your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked, I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact.
Pauwi na kaming Cagayan de Oro, dala ang isa na namang di malilimutang biking experience. Hindi maihahambing ang simpleng kasiyahan sa bike ride adventure na tulad nito. Sana kayo rin mga angkol, enjoyin nyo rin ang mga ruta habang pumapadyak. Salamat sa panunood at hanggang sa muli.